everybody, it's me. It's been a long time since I've appeared on a Nugget Distance Learning Network video. I've been too busy swimming around the Pacific Ocean. Well, and I didn't have a name for a long time, but you know what? I gave myself my own name. Well, first of all, I'm going to call myself Mr. Why? Because if I'm leading these videos, I better have some kind of like official name. I ain't no doctor, I know that. So, call myself Mr. And, I just noticed everywhere I swim, these annoying bubbles kind of float around and kind of follow me. So I figured, Mr. and Bubbles, I'll put them things together and boom, I got myself a name, see? Mr. Bubbles. So, this video, I've been kind of fooling around with my computer in my coral reef after I've been eating all my Dairy Queen cake. And I want to teach a few things about your Google account, so here we go. Okay, so in your Google account, in your waffle, you're going to click the waffle, all right? And, you've been doing Hangouts with Mr. Lofgren, and you guys have been doing wonderful. He just wants you to try something new. It's another option for you to chat with your friends or to meet with your teachers. So what you're going to do, towards the bottom, is you are going to go to a button, an icon that says Meet. It has like a little video camera. So you're going to click that button, and then you're going to get to a screen that says this. It says, join or start a meeting. Enter a meeting code or a nickname. Well, Mr. Lofgren thought it would be a good idea to nickname our code or class Bread. So you'll just type the word eat bread in, all lowercase letters, just type in bread, and then you'll get to a screen that looks like this. It'll say the word bread, and it could say no one else is here. That's if you're the first person to join, or it might list the names of the other classmates that are already in the meet, or it might just say a number of kids. But anyway, what you're going to do is you're just going to click join now, and then you will be into the chat session or the meet session. All right, so it's similar to Hangouts, but what I like about Google Meet is people can talk. And with Hangouts, it's kind of hard to see the comments sometimes. It's harder to see the comments. Here, if you go up and you click in the upper right-hand corner, there's a little icon with a little human being on it. That means you can click on the people that are in the meeting. Otherwise, if you click on the other little thought bubble, that is the chat option. And so when you click it, you still see the screen. You'll see the people that are on the video. But then on the right side, you'll see this continuing conversation with people that are in the chat or the meet. So what I like about it is that when people are talking, it's good to have the microphones off so you don't have all that extra noise. But what I do like about this is that the conversation can continue off to the side with your messaging. And let's just pretend that Mr. Lofgren, your teacher, let's say he's having a conversation with Michaela. And they're kind of going back and forth, and you're like, oh, you have something you want to ask Michaela. And so instead of turning your microphone on, what you can do is type in the message. It'll pop up on the right side, and then Michaela or myself can see that. And then we can answer the question right there for you instead of having to say, oh, wait, I need to interrupt, I need to talk here. So that's why we'll try it. And that's all there is to it. So Mr. Lofgren's going to do a Google Meet session with you tomorrow morning at 8:30. 8:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. The entire class is going to have a Meet session. So he really hopes you can make it. He's not going to have any topic for you. He just wants to check in with you and see how it goes. Because if it goes well, I think what he wants to do is, continue to do the boys and the girls. But then also try to do a meet session and try to meet with the entire class once in a while too. So it'll be really short tomorrow, short and sweet, but 8:30 in the morning, Google Meets. If you're not sure what to do, go back at the beginning part of the video and check it out. And you know what? It'll be a piece of cake. Just like all that DQ ice cream cake I'm eating. This is Mr. Bubbles. I'm going to go swim around and hopefully I don't get eaten by a shark. See ya!